Thanks for stopping by. In this video, we'll show you how to apply a template to your workflows. Let's get started. Let's say you already created a template. To apply a template, make sure you're in the desired workflow. Let's work in our encoder and Facebook workflow. Click the template drop-down button, and then select the template that you want applied to your workflow. A confirmation banner will appear. Remember, this template only applies to the workflow you added it to. To add this template to your Periscope, YouTube, Twitch, or other destinations, switch to that workflow and repeat the steps. Congratulations, you've successfully added a template. To learn how to create a template, visit our Using Templates article on the support page.